are pleased to show you the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.